Hey, what's going on, guys? I just came back from a run, and I also just worked third shift or whatever. Nice, nice, nice. I have about so this right here you can't really see all of it. Oh fuck. Okay, yeah. So this right here is like about like 14 pieces of chicken, right? Yeah, 14 pieces of chicken all right here. I have about 2 spicy chicken sandwiches. Boom. Fuck. Boom. And I have 12 nuggets, 4 biscuits, one little Coke that I kind of spilled a little bit, and Mountain Dew. And I also have a little tiny mac and cheese right here. Some fucking, some mashed potatoes with some gravy that I'm gonna pour. Oh, goddamn. Nice, nice. I need a spoon. And yes, just 2 full plates of mashed potatoes. On the app, I don't know. This is totaling about like I think it was like 7,000. Yeah, 7,000 calories because that's about my limit, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and I really need to get a spoon. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and complete all this. I'm gonna do my best to complete it in under an hour, but who knows? Maybe it's gonna end up being like something like the McDonald's one. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah. Do. Bro, I love Chick-fil-A sauce. Hold on. Dude, Chick-fil-A sauce is the best. I know I should like challenge-wise, it's not smart, but like, there's nothing better than Chick-fil-A sauce, bro. I'm gonna get sick of it like halfway through, but okay. Mm-hmm. Damn, bro. I haven't had KFC in a while, and I'm hungry. Oh my god. Pretty soon, one of my parents are gonna come home, so that's gonna be cool. But yeah, it's gonna be my dad. But yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I let this sit for a while, so it's not really hot, but it's really good. Really good. Yo, this mashed potato and gravy thing is like a soup. Literally, it's literally just like a soup at this point. I always forget how much food is like in this. Oh my god. I got napkins this time. Let's start working on the mac and cheese, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I love KFC, but their mac and cheese kinda lacking. But I'll still eat it. I mean, it's mac and cheese. I mean, shit. Eat that with a little chicken piece. My fucking dog, dude. Fuck. Look at you. Oh my god. Yeah, this is good. I forgot to mention, this is good. Nuggets, oh god. Oh, perfect idea. Chicken down. Or we're getting there. We're getting there. Yo, we're doing not too shabby, bro. This is yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna talk all that because you never know with challenges like this. And you're probably wondering. Oh my god. Okay, you're probably wondering, where's the ketchup at? I don't know. I'm gonna find it somewhere here once I finally get like sauce fatigue or whatever. You know what they should create? Like fucking. Oh. Not good. I spent like the last week and a half in Ecuador eating like real food. So this is like a punch to the system. Ah, ah, ow, ah, fuck. Ow. Ah. We gotta switch sodas. I got a fucking Mountain Dew. Fuck.
So much protein.
That's some good ass Mountain Dew. There you go. Easy. Boom. Just throws up everywhere. No. I think I can feel it now. In my system. It was mad good, bro. I asked for no pickles. I'm over here like bubble bass. Ah. Oh fuck. It's spicy as shit. Gotta eat some chicken after that. Oh my god, that's spicy as fuck. That's not even like. Hold on, I'm gonna say something. This is mad good. I have neighbors who live downstairs, and they have a dog. He'd be like, "Rawr." I think he wants some chicken. Oh no, now my dog's reacting. It's gonna be like a little Pokemon battle. just so I could get this bandit off my back, I have a bone here that's basically done. Okay, I'm gonna. Well, basically done. I'm gonna get this to the bandit right here. Hey, puppy. His name is Nacho. Nacho. He speaks Spanish, and that's not even a troll. Oh God, he comes from. He's 10 years old. We got him from Ecuador. He lived like I'm until he was like 2 in Ecuador. No lie, he speaks Spanish. Like he responds the word perro is like dog in Spanish or whatever, and he motherfucker. He responds to the word perro. Oh yeah, he responds to that word. My bad for it's perro, perro, but like the reason why I say like perro is because every person over there in Ecuador every person they be saying it like that. Whatever.
Huh? Okay.
I really hope I got that on camera. What the? I'm gonna replay that at the end. But dude, chicken just squirted. Seriously, dude. I think that was just pure grease. Holy fuck. And that good. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I can definitely feel it a little bit right now. Okay. The bone pile. The bone pile. The bone pile. Let me just fucking wipe this shit off real quick. Because the bandit's back and he's not very happy. What are you doing? He's like 10 years old, dude. I always tell him, you're lucky we didn't just like cook you. No, I'm playing. I fucking love this dude. He's like yay big. I love him. His name is Nacho.
Okay. This is so much food.
Fuck. I have a cut on my finger. Fuck. Ow. Fuck. Ow. Not good. Okay, so we have about 6 pieces of chicken left, or 7. No, technically 7. 1 burger left, a chicken sandwich, and like fucking my nuggets. Okay, and like 3 nuggets left, or 4 nuggets left, I guess. It's like a nugget with a vitamin deficiency. All right. So. All right. So what the fuck is that? Oh, it's my boy. Oh, my bad. I'm recording on my phone. I got a notification from my boy. My boy. Ah. This is so much fucking food. But it's the life I chose. Yeah. Okay. Let's fucking. Alright. Okay. Okay.
It's a lot of food, bro. It's a lot of fucking food. Okay.
Now, as for this shit, this fucking bullshit. This, uh, I'm gonna finish off the biggest piece. I honestly don't think I'm gonna finish the sandwich, but we're gonna try. So yeah, my dad might be coming home soon, so if he does, just be very quiet, alright? He tends to whoop the shit out of me. No, I'm playing, no. I'm joking. Okay. Okay, man, dude. Gotta be a little bit more strategic. Oh, okay. The fucking biscuit from earlier. Okay.
This is so much food.
Time to bust out the apple juice. Oh, so much food. Okay. I'm always so perplexed. All those competitive eaters, I know I said this last time, but I swear they make it look so much easier on YouTube. They make it look so much easier on YouTube. So much easier.
Come on. I'm not giving up. Not me.
Fuck. Huh. Fuck. Fuck. Alright, save the chicken. Fuck. No. Oh god, save the chicken. Okay. Contingency plan. We spilled some juice, but don't worry. Life is all about mistakes. Ah! Oh god. I think I got the sandwich. But it's okay. Because we're not stopping for nothing. We're not stopping for nobody. Not even juice. Okay. Just kind of like juice. But even that's okay. This is such a mess. Fuck. I think the 0-calorie juice is top tier. Top tier. So top tier.
Oh my fucking god. This is not food. There's no denying it. There's no denying it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, it was the best idea ever to switch from juice to like zero sugar juice, because now I could drink it and it tastes like, or it kind of feels like water a little bit. The other juice, I was drinking it and I feel like it was like eating, you know, I feel like it was part of the challenge. I don't know, I'm not making no sense right now, I'm sorry. Another thing I hate, white chicken. It's just so dry. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's the cheat code. I'm gonna put it in the gravy. I'm gonna let it marinate. Dude, I don't think I'm gonna complete this. I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, fuck.
Son of a bitch. Dude.
I think it's a wrap. I think it's a wrap. I think it's a fucking wrap. Dude, it's a fucking wrap, bro. I can feel the fucking sodium in my brain. I could feel the fucking sugar in my brain. I could feel the fucking carbs. I could feel the fucking the love. food. I can't fucking do this shit. I'm not gonna. Okay, hold on. No way. No, okay, no. 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 No, dude. I can't do this. I can't. I won't. Dude. Okay. I wanna go out with a shebang. Okay. I am the shebang. Okay, there's no going out. No. 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 I call it quits. I'm done. Okay. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Okay. I'm done. Boom. It. Alright, guys. Oh my god, my fucking head. Okay. So here's what we have left. We have an entire fucking spicy chicken. This shit was ass. I fucking hated this shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my god. I hate the spicy sandwich when the sandwich is not spicy. It's just fucking hot sauce. You know what I mean? Oh my god, okay. Then we have 1 piece of chicken. 2 pieces of chicken. 3 pieces of chicken. 4 pieces of chicken. And 5 pieces of chicken. Okay, let me recount that. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, so I have 5 fucking pieces of fucking chicken. I have basically an entire fucking mashed potato and gravy bowl. And I have, like 3 fucking biscuits left, which I knew I wasn't gonna fucking finish those. I'm gonna do that math at the end and just throw up on the screen how many calories that's left, but I honestly thought I'd do better than that, because I'm pretty sure in the McDonald's one I had like way more calories, okay? But, I spent a week in Ecuador. I didn't have the time to, train. This was a lot of fucking food. Okay, anyways, guys. I'm gonna come back at you guys next week. And obviously, week after week after week after week. After that, just, just doing shit. You know what I mean, just doing these mukbangs and shit. Yeah. I try to go for a lot of calories, like 7,000. But we obviously don't hit that. I think I just need to get back to my routine, because when I did that other challenge, I was on the routine of like running every day. And like I said, I was in Ecuador for a minute, so I didn't have the time. And I basically just ran for like an hour, like right before this challenge. So I have a lot of fucking running to do. A lot of running to do. I'm gonna come back at you guys next time, and I'm gonna try to at least hit 7,000 calories, because I for sure didn't hit it this time. But guys, yeah, thank you for watching. I also need to take a shit, dude. I'm sorry if you're eating. I'm sorry, but yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys for fucking watching. Holy fuck. Okay. Yeah. Boom. This is good.